Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the latest TCS interview questions. Firstly, this interview started with the self introduction, then what skills do you have, then what project you have done before and their working. Are you currently doing any project? If yes, explain about it and the technology you use in that. I kept Java basic in my resume, but the interviewer asked the question very depth in Java. Explain the OOPS concept in Java. So this is a very important questions, and it is very repetitive in every IT company interview. Then what are abstract classes in Java, and say how to do you write the code for it. SQL query on how to get maximum salary from the employee table where the department is given. About trees in data structure, explain linked list, explain circular linked list, difference between linked list and circular linked list. Are there any other data structure other than these? What do you know about cloud? How to access data from cloud? Is cloud secured to store the data, and how? Explain error handling in Java. Do you have any prior work experience? Do you have any gap year? Do you have done any courses? Why should we hire you? So why should I not hire you? So this is a very lengthy interview of TCS. Around 20 to 21 question is asked in this interview. The next interview is this is also a thus interview is very long, as 39 question is asked in this interview, and this interview is around 40 to 45 minutes. Are you willing to relocate? Then you have to say yes. Say something which is not in your resume. How do you perform join in Excel? Then what is your weakness? About try, catch, accept, and finally in Java, explain method overloading, explain method overwriting. How do you implement and add data into the abstract classes? How do you handle the project if no one help you and there is a deadline next week? Explain about various operation system you have come across till now. Which OS are compatible with mobiles? Have you explored about any domain in the IT background, as I am from the CSC? What do you know about AI, ML, and data science? What is data science? Do you prioritize your task or important task of other people? How do you handle multiple work at a time? Your favorite subject in CSC, question in that subject. In which subject do you have highest marks? In which subject you have got the less marks? So this interview is of around 40 to 45 minutes. So it was held in Madhapur Deccan Park, Hyderabad, and this is a lengthy interview, and the time duration is 40 to 45 minutes. All the technical, MR, and HR round are conducted in this interview. And when you are going to any IT company interview, firstly read out about that company, where is the head office, who is the current CEO of TCS. So all these things you should know before going to any IT company interview. I will discuss here the some basic point about the TCS. As TCS is an Indian multinational informational technology service and consulting company, and its headquarters in Mumbai. It is a part of Tata Group and operates in 150 locations across 46 countries. In September 2023, it was reported that TCS has over 6,16,000 employees worldwide. TCS is the second largest Indian company by market capitalization, the most valuable RT services brand in the worldwide, and it is the top big tech company. As June 2023, it was the world's second largest US H1B visa provider, and it was founded in 1968, that is 56 years ago. The founder was JRD Tata, and its headquarters in Mumbai. Its revenue in 2023 is 2,28,907 crore. Now the current chairman of TCS is Natarajan Chandrasekaran, and the current CEO of TCS is K. Kritinivasan. So these are the update about the TCS, and its website is www.tcs.com. So this is the interview of TCS I have explained in this video. So more update like this, please do subscribe my YouTube channel guys. For the latest update, latest interview experience, I will share all IT company update and interview experience in this channel. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel guys.